In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a stunning poster in Canva step by step. Whether it's for an event, an advertisement, or just something fun, Canva makes it simple to create professional-looking designs without needing advanced skills. Start by opening Canva in your web browser and typing poster into the search bar. You'll see a wide variety of templates designed for different themes and purposes. Browse through the options and pick a template that fits your style or the message you want to convey. Canva has everything from minimalist layouts to colorful, detailed graphics, so take your time exploring. Once you've selected a template, click Customize this template. This opens Canva's editor where the real fun begins. Here, you can personalize every element, change colors, fonts, and text, add images, or even upload your own photos to make the poster truly unique. Spend some time experimenting with the tools. Adjust text size, alignment, and colors, play with background options, or add illustrations from Canva's extensive library. Keep balance and clarity in mind. Your message should always be easy to read and visually appealing. When you're happy with your design, click Download to save your poster in your preferred format. Now it's ready to share online or print for your event. And that's it. With Canva, creating a professional poster has never been easier. Keep exploring the features, have fun with your designs, and let your creativity shine. In today's video, I'm going